Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the iCloud Mail app. To get started, let's open the Settings app. Here, scroll down and you can see Mail. Tap on it. Now, you can see Account. Tap on it, and again click on Gmail. Here, again click on Account. So, go back and click on Delete Account. So it will delete your iCloud Mail app from your iPhone. Now, to confirm, click on Delete from my iPhone. So your account is successfully deleted. To add an account, you can click on Add Account, and you can log in by iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook, com, etc. So this is how you can delete the iCloud Mail app from your iPhone. So that's it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.